Okay, for specialization and trade, okay, the questions I realize that most people have a confusion on how to identify the international price. Okay, so I will use an example, okay, to illustrate this. Okay, assume two economies, alright, economy A and economy B. Okay, X, Y, okay, oh sorry, okay, economy A, okay, can produce either 10 units of Y or 5 units of X. Okay, economy B can produce either 5 units of Y or 5 units of X. Okay, the first step is to identify the opportunity cost of production for both economies. Okay, so let's do this. Opportunity cost of X. How do I calculate this? Okay, how many Y must I give up for how many X? 10 divided by 5, 2. This is the price, okay? Opportunity cost of Y, you just flip this thing around. Okay, for economy B, how many Y must I give up for how many X? 5 divided by 5, 1. Flip this around, naturally is 1. Okay, now the next step, identify the comparative advantage. Okay, the economy is known to have the comparative advantage in production if his or her opportunity cost is lower than the trading partner one. Okay, the trading partners one. Alright, so let's look at X first. Okay, see, for B they have to give up less Y to produce X as compared to A. So this guy has got the comparative advantage over here. Okay, if we look at for Y, okay, economy A has the comparative advantage in the production of Y. So what it means is that economy B should specialize in X. Okay, and A should specialize in Y. Okay, now the next step. Now we are going to identify the international price. Okay, just take the top part first. Okay, look at the opportunity cost of X. The international price, okay, should be in between these two figures over here. Okay, if let's say the international price is 2 Ys per X, why would the economy want to trade? Waste time. Okay, they should trade only if it's cheaper to buy than they produce by themselves. So the international price, okay, should be, okay, in between 2 Ys, okay, and 1 Y. Okay, so let's give a random number. Okay, this is a random number. You can come up with your own number if you want. Okay, 1.5. Okay, 1.5 is in between these two fellas. Okay, so now think of it. Okay, the sign is wrong. Sorry, Okay, now my international price will be 1.5 Ys per X. So I gotta prove, okay, that with the international price being 1.5 Y per X, both economies will be better off. Okay, now going back to our graph. Okay, so now we know that economy B was specialized in X and economy A was specialized in Y. So they will just produce 5X, okay, and then Y. So now I have got 5Y. How many Y can I buy with my 5X? Okay, 5X. Okay, the international price is 1.5 Y per X. 5 times 1.5, 7.5. So now very good. Okay, I can get 7.5. Okay, see, I'm higher now. So this is my new PPF. Okay, the PPF is also known as the CPF. Okay, not the CPF that you know, is the consumption possibility frontier. Okay, so now we look over at economy A. So I got 10 Ys. Okay, how much is the international price? 1.5. So this time you divide, because 10Y, for every Y I can get, every 1.5 Y I can get 1X. So you get 10 divided by 1.5. Okay, you get 6.6666. Okay, so I'll be at this point. Okay, I can see there is more. Okay, so I move out. Okay, so when the PPF moves out, Okay, it means that both economies will be better off. Okay, so this is how to answer the question in the exam.